Hello friends, welcome everyone to this section on Section 1 of the Indian Railways Signal Engineering Manual, where you will explore the structure, responsibilities and working of the Signal and Telecommunication Department, commonly known as the S&T Department. This chapter provides the foundation for understanding how the S&T organization is structured and how different units contribute to railway safety and efficiency. Let us begin with a basic overview. The efficient upkeep, maintenance and reliability of all signal and telecommunication assets in Indian Railways are handled by the open line organization of the S&T Department. Any major construction work like new lines, doubling, yard remodeling or large signaling upgrades does not fall under open line. These works come under the jurisdiction of CSTE construction or GMCAO construction. Thus the S&T department has a dual structure, one that maintains existing assets and one that executes new projects. Structure of open line organization. Now let us understand how the open line S&T organization is structured. The administrative and technical head of the entire S&T department is the PCSTE, Principal Chief Signal and Telecommunication Engineer. The PCSTE is responsible to the General Manager for overall functioning and efficiency of the department. PCSTE is assigned by various heads of departments such as the CSE, CCE and CSTE planning. These HODs are supported by Deputy CSTE, Senior STEs, Executive STEs and ASTEs. An important point is that PCSTE defines the duties of all headquarter officers and divisional officers. Also, when the manual refers to CSTE, it includes all relevant HODs as well as CSTE construction. Overall, the PCSTE supervises the entire S&T cadre across the railway zone. Construction Project RE organization. Now let us look at the construction and the project wing of S&T. This wing includes positions such as CSTE construction, CSTE projects, CSTE works and CSTE core. They are responsible for planning, directing, controlling and executing all S&T works in the most cost-effective and timely manner. These officers are supported by Deputy CSTE, Senior STE and ASTE level officers. It is important to note that the construction organization must closely coordinate with the open line organization, especially before commissioning new assets. The CSTE construction also exercises budgetary control and is involved in budget preparation for ongoing and future projects. Additionally, the construction wing works with the PCSTE for placement of staff. Where large joint projects exist, S&T may function as a fully self-contained project unit. Divisional officers. Now let us move on the divisional setup. Every railway division has an S&T branch that is headed by an officer of the appropriate grade. This officer is responsible to the divisional railway manager for all maintenance activities and overall performance of S&T installations in the division. However, Technically, the officer works under the control of the PCSTE, meaning all technical issues, rules, and guidance come from the headquarters. Typically, the divisional setup includes a senior divisional signal and telecommunication engineer, senior DSTE, who is usually a JAG or selection grade, and divisional STE, DSTE in senior scale. The divisional team plays a crucial frontline role in ensuring reliability of signaling and telecommunication assets in day-to-day train operations. Extra-divisional organization. Finally, we look at the extra-divisional or specialized units of the S&T. These include S&T workshops, S&T training schools and training centers, construction, project, works, and core units, any other designated railway unit connected to S&T. Each of these units performs a specialized function and is headed by an officer who reports either to the PCSTE or to the CSTE construction, depending on the nature of the unit. Workshops handle manufacturing and repairs. Training center build human resource capability, and the project units manage large-scale signaling upgrades. This completes our overview of organizational structure of the S&T department as per IRSCM Chapter 1. Understanding this structure is essential because as S&T personnel, whether technicians, supervisors, or officers, you may know how the organization functions, who is responsible for what, and how different units coordinate to ensure safe train operations. In next session, we will move into further sections and discuss roles, responsibilities, and field level maintenance practices. Okay, thank you.